welcome back to the
Factory Tycoon.
Right, let's get started then. Everyone go to your playthrough.
Okay, okay. You don't have to go this
I'm
way.
going to buy my chicken bottom right now.
Whoa.
Oh, I played this on my phone.
There's a chicken farm.
Look, you played there.
You
Started already.
Oh.
There's this game.
Oh my god, there's a chicken. Why am I watching the chicken eat food?
And then I lay eggs and then you spit it back.
That looks good. That's
Why
just
is
cool.
it still in my
And then you
hand?
set the car.
I can't get this box out my hand. I might have to reset.
I'm gonna wait for tons of eggs in my box and then I'm gonna put them out.
I don't know what I'm meant to do.
Have you bought the free stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
And then
know
you have
why.
to put your box. I think you have to put your box in the truck.
I'm gonna
Yeah, once you've got X in it.
Yeah, and then you have to put the alien in it.
There you go.
Once you got five.
What? Eggs are fucking out of the box.
I'm going to grab my box. Here I go. Take them.
third box. Well,
Enough. My box goes to space. Wait. The new production line is 8,000. How much to 8,000?
No, you have to upgrade your chicken first. So you get it slow.
Oh.
yeah,
okay.
Emily.
Just wait for your box to get like full up. It tells you how much money you can get.
It's on level 3
Always
now.
hand.
Oh wait, can I spin the wheel? You can spin it for free. You can spin it for free every 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Diamonds.
Side of your screen.
Select.
Side of your screen. The wheel. Can you see the wheel?
We need to wait till my box is full. But how do you get that hand? How do you get the box out your hand when you do it?
I think it's putting that. Let's put it in the car. Now my thing's on level 3, 4. I can nearly get it on level 5. Nearly.
Wait,
Got a thing on the side of my screen. Oh, I've got a chest on the side.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.
Oh gosh, I got 1 star. There's if you see like a chest on the side of your screen, you can click on it and then it gives you money.
Also, if you go to that bottom side, you just get my garden.
Oh yeah.
Oh cool. Oh gosh, my money.
I'm gonna get 1 candy on that. That was actually
I've got 1 star so far.
If you go in the shop, you can get
I've never said that.
for free. You can get 10. For free, you can get 10. Oh, 10 diamonds in a bag.
Oh yeah.
There we go, just got one in.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Do you know what you do?
Wow.
Oh, you can get auto.
I got an egg for 2 diamonds and I just got lots of money.
I'm level 9.
Look how much money.
How?
Wait, there's a golden egg right next.
Yang.
Use 2 diamonds for it.
Yeah, that's what I just did.
get lots
I
of
did
money.
it and that's why I'm level 9 on my thing now.
Wait,
I'm now level 10.
Where's it say what level you are?
exactly.
Above the chicken.
Level 1.
Click on that.
Level up the chicken.
Yeah, now you can level it up.
Click on the money.
Oh no, I'm 4 now.
He's level 5. Literally got 1 star.
And you see the money under the money at the on the food. That's how much you earn from you every time you lazy.
Oh, what's that on the other side of the screen?
I think soon
I've got 30k.
How?
I don't know how.
How do
Anyway,
you
I've
get
got my
money?
second
How do you
chicken.
get money?
I can get my second chicken.
That's what I've got already.
How do you get money?
got 30k because this thing at the side of my screen popped up and it said, spend 6 diamonds and you'll get like 25k.
I just got the same thing, but with 7k.
Me too. Get past the movement for 2 minutes,
I'm not gonna do
Come on,
it.
come on.
Yeah, I'm going to
I've got the maximum level for my chicken. Well, I can reset it. I
Don't.
didn't want to do that.
Did you reset your chicken?
Oh, at least I got this.
I got the new
Hi,
production
chicken.
line.
Matthew reset his chicken. How sad.
Now I'm
I'll
poor.
get loads of them.
I'm coming to look at you. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay. I nearly pressed reset. Okay.
You've already got 3
Hello.
chickens.
Alright.
Yeah, I've got.
I know. I nearly pressed it. I was scared
You're so
then.
good, so good.
Right, my first chicken.
Round, Come back in my place. Okay. Hello.
Do you have your 7 chicken? I just got 7k for spending 2 diamonds.
I've got chicken and like the chicken
Okay,
coop.
got loads more.
Oh my.
I've already
Guys. I bought like a chicken
Oh,
and like
I've got
chicken.
58k because I just picked up a golden chick. A golden egg.
Not good.
Oh, me too.
And I got 100k because I just picked up.
I don't have enough
Okay.
diamonds. I only have one. I've literally.
I just got this.
Oh god,
I'm
I can spin the wheel
I've
again.
literally just got a chicken.
Oh, same.
I spun the wheel and I got 190k. I can buy the next chicken already.
I got 5 diamonds.
There's like a
The third
cage.
chicken.
And I can when the timer's done, I can receive.
I've got my third
20
chicken and it's got a hat.
And when the chicken's done,
My first chicken is to the max now.
guys.
Yeah.
I've got like this chicken in this cage. And
It gives you
when
money.
this timer is done, I can
Yeah, and then it gives you 1.34 million.
No, 20.
Yeah.
0.47k.
I can get 1.34 million.
Whoa. I think you might
I know.
get like different every time.
What's my other one? I've got another cage.
Whoa.
I'm putting it. Oh my god, a cow. Using
I
only.
can get
Oh, I can't get the cow yet.
2.44 million.
Cool.
I'm not gonna get these 40.
Okay, I can get the new
Yeah, I'm not getting it.
production line. There we go.
I just got a chicken and it gives me 160k. With the timer
Guys, I
for
think the
more.
heavier, the more eggs you put in the box, the heavier it gets. Because I think I've walked
Oh yeah. Bad. I'm walking my way now. Because my thing. I know.
I'm just trying to get my second chicken.
I've now got chickens. So it's way faster.
Have you not been doing the wheel?
Yes.
Yeah, just
It lets you do it every 5 minutes.
That's why this game is just cheap.
Or get factory 1 to reach animals and spend 8k cash.
I'm gonna come and have a look at your guys'
I
places.
can get some money.
Oh Matthew, I've got one more chicken more. I have one more chicken than you.
Okay, just got some money.
Yeah.
Oh my. I got that.
Honestly, Abby. Hello, Abby.
Hello.
How are you doing?
in the comments down below what
These are going
videos
like
are
on
going next.
Yeah. I'm gonna go check.
Emily, got one with her top hat. It's for 1, 4,
I've got 2 chickens at the moment.
and Emily's egg just one.
Oh, because you kicked it with.
No.
Oh, I just got another golden egg,
How have you
and
got so much
it's
money
given me
now?
so much money.
You're cheating. You're a hacker.
I'm not cheating.
You're a hacker.
Hello.
I nearly reset it again. I'm scared.
Abby's got
Hey,
Brenda and
Brenda.
You can name them.
Brenda.
I was gonna
You
say.
made that up.
I was gonna say.
then Izzy's got Jeff.
Oh, yeah, I
Different
got
Bob.
different Bob, you know.
Emily's got Batman.
Oh.
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan, that's lovely. Good name.
I've just figured out something. I've just
I can get
figured out something. If you go in this potion icon at the side of your screen,
Oh yeah, you can get more.
you can upgrade stuff.
Play the games.
Okay, calm down, Mr.
Okay, bye bye.
Narrator.
Oh, it came back so fast.
I just sent my truck out with 50.
I'm going to check on my chicken. Think I
I got
can receive.
420.
Think I
You don't actually get slowed down by the eggs in your box. No, I can't get them.
Oh, it's so close for lots of my money.
No, literally I need 2 diamonds for it. So I can get the
I can
eggs.
never get all
Guys,
that money.
I've just got a box which has 1 million.
What?
What? My chicken with that egg. Well, pecking the dirt is never
I
done.
got 3 eggs.
I'm gonna tell you this now,
Think I
1
can-
million
I can-
doesn't last long.
Guys, I think I can collect all that money. Now.
I've got some money.
I'm not gonna
God,
collect it
oh my
yet, I'm
God,
gonna wait
I've
till it
got
gets
tons
to
of
max.
money. I'm gonna get another chicken.
I'm gonna
Okay.
receive
Can we
it.
get a cow?
Receive. Come on, give me it.
Where's my other chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not
Right.
even locked.
It won't let me collect it. It's weird.
Oh, I can see.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing now.
Oh,
Yeah, I can spin the wheel. Okay.
I got 5 diamonds.
Yeah, I got 5.
19.75k.
Point 25k.
Now,
I played for 8 minutes already.
now 2 more chickens. Well, the second one.
Oh my.
Oh, I think I can receive it now. Got it. I've got 2 million.
How?
Have you got that chicken at the side of your over here?
Yeah. I got 150. Oh, God.
I can't
I'm
even
still
get
on
the third
2.
one.
I have now got.
I've got 2.
Same.
I've not got. I could buy
well,
my
I can
full
get
chicken, but I'm trying to level up my third one
106.
beforehand.
Point 45k next. That chicken, that's in the cage.
There we go, I just got 160k.
Oh my.
My chicken in the cage gives me 132 million.
Got my third chicken.
I'm gonna wait. Oh, I got the gold egg again. Literally,
Same.
lots
I
of
get
lots
10
of
million.
10 million.
What? You got some
When I'm looking at the side and I get.
Lucky.
These are going faster. I'm just waiting for my
Maybe
third.
I can buy another chicken in there. Upgrade. I can. Oh, Matthew, 10 million isn't even enough, Matthew. I get 32 million.
Right, guys, we want to end here.
We could do part 2, obviously.
Yeah.
I mean, this game's actually quite good.
Yep. I'm coming out this way.
You guys did.
Yeah.
I definitely
Right,
did.
chicken.
Matthew's place is going crazy.
Hopefully next time we'll have some better care. Hopefully next time we'll be having better farms.
Yeah.
And don't forget to watch
An
out
egg.
my vlog, which I'll upload just before this video. Don't forget to go check that out.
Yeah.
And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all next time.